Stop. If you're thinking about buying EasyApps AI, do not click away yet, because this software claims you can build and sell AI-powered apps without coding, without hiring developers, and without any tech skills. That sounds almost too good to be true, right? In this honest EasyApps AI review, I'll break down exactly what this software does, who it's for, the real benefits, the results you can expect, and how to get my $297 bonus bundle free if you decide to grab it. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back. If you're into make money online, AI tools, freelancing, or creating digital products, this video could save you hours of research. This is not hype. This is a straight-up breakdown so you can decide if EasyApps AI is worth your money. What is EasyApps AI? EasyApps AI is a cloud-based software that lets you create AI-powered apps in minutes, without coding or technical experience. Instead of spending months learning programming, thousands hiring developers, or getting stuck with complex app builders, EasyApps AI uses AI automation to build ready-to-use apps you can sell to clients, offer as services, use for your own business, or monetize online. Everything happens inside one simple dashboard. Benefits. Why people are excited about EasyApps AI? Here's why this software is getting attention in the MMO space. No coding or tech skills required. Create apps fast using AI. Perfect for beginners. Multiple income opportunities. Sell apps as a service or product. Works worldwide. Low setup. High potential value. This removes one of the biggest barriers online. I don't know how to build anything technical. Inside EasyApps AI. Features and results inside EasyApps AI. You'll find AI App Builder. Create apps by simply choosing templates and letting AI do the work. Pre-built app categories. Apps for businesses, marketing, productivity, lead generation, automation, and client solutions. Customization options. Brand apps with your logo, colors, and features. Client-ready apps perfect for freelancers and agencies. Monetization-ready. Sell apps on Fiverr, Upwork, direct outreach, and your own website. Realistic results. Users typically aim to sell apps for $50 to $500 each, offer monthly services, and create recurring income. This is about creating value, not hype. How EasyApps AI works. The process is simple. Log into EasyApps AI, choose app type, customize using AI, export or deploy and sell or use the app. No downloads, no hosting headaches, no confusion. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros. Beginner friendly, no coding, fast app creation, strong monetization angles, and works in multiple niches. Cons. Requires action to make money. Best results come from consistent effort and not a push-button rich system. If you want real online skills, this is a plus. If you grab EasyApps AI using my link below, you'll unlock my exclusive $297 bonus bundle free. Bonus 1. AI App Monetization Blueprint. Value. $147 free today. Learn exactly how to price your apps, sell to local businesses, land your first paying clients, create recurring monthly income, and perfect for beginners. Bonus 2. Client Outreach and Sales Scripts for App Services. Value. $150 free today. Includes cold outreach templates, Fiverr gig descriptions, email and DM scripts, and client closing framework. These bonuses are designed to help you actually make money, not just use the software. Total bonus value. $297. Yours free. So, is EasyApps AI worth it? If you want a simple, beginner-friendly way to create AI apps and monetize them online, then yes, EasyApps AI is worth checking out. And with my $297 bonus bundle, you're getting everything you need to start fast. Click the link in the description below. Grab EasyApps AI, unlock my bonuses instantly and start building AI apps today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next review.